Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to do blooming nail art updated. Start by filing and buffing nails to a smooth shape and apply a thin base coat to protect nails. Choose a pigmented polish and a lighter blending color for the bloom effect. Use a dotting tool or brush to place the polish, then add a solvent drop to spread it into petals. Clean edges and seal with a top coat for lasting shine. Warm up by laying out all your tools so you can work quickly while polish is wet. I like using a darker base with a lighter bloom color for clear contrast and depth. Keep a small dish of solvent and a thin brush ready to nudge petals into place if needed. Work one nail at a time and gently press the solvent to encourage blooming, then finish with a glossy top coat to protect your design. Begin by prepping one nail and painting the base color smoothly for even coverage. Add a central dot of your bloom shade, then surround it with smaller dots spaced evenly to suggest petals. Dip a metal tool into solvent and touch the center dot briefly to coax the polish outward into a bloom. Clean stray edges with a tiny brush and acetone, then cure or air dry before sealing with a top coat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.